Hi guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can set up and create grid in Adobe InDesign. So the first step you simply need to do is to open Adobe InDesign. Then you simply need to click on layout and here you can see ruler guides, create guides. So first I'm going to click on ruler guides. So here you can select the color of your guides. So I want that, let's suppose in blue color. Okay, then you need to click on OK. After that, you need to click on layout and click on create guides. You can select the number of rows and columns. So I want 7 rows and 7 columns, for example. And now you can see that guides are created. And so here you can see that if you want, you can click that and remove that as well. But I want to lock my guide. So you simply need to click on view. And once you are on the view, you simply need to, here you can see guides and grids. You simply need to click on lock guides. So now you are not able to accidentally delete guides. So this is the process by which you can set up and create guide in Adobe InDesign. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.